Today we're going to make slime. The other slime we make is green. I'm going to make my own slime and Emma's going to make her own slime. I'm going to make mine's pink.
And I'm going to make mine people.
Let's start. First we're going to start with the glue. Emma, here's your glue. It's very heavy. Be careful.
Mommy,
You need help opening?
No.
Now we're going to put the glue. Emma.
It's too heavy.
It's not heavy for me.
Mommy, can you help me? I'm gonna. Wait, I know.
This is so great.
Ooh!
It came out fast like mine. We gotta get all that glue out. Okay, I think that's it. Now we're going to put the food coloring. It went everywhere. I want it to be very pink. Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere.
It's like black.
It's like black because it's purple, Emma. Everywhere, even in the circle. Now we're going to stir it.
Yeah.
I'm so excited what color it's going to be. Whoa, it's really
Whoa, mine is getting. Oh, yours is getting.
very red. Maybe it's because how much color
Oh,
I put
mine
in
is
there.
getting people.
Mine is getting the little pink.
Look at mine. It's getting
Look
pink.
at mine. It's very pink
And-
and very impressive.
And mine is.
My pink is very great.
And almost mine is people and my people. Ooh, it's like thing to.
This is so cool. I can't
That's
believe.
so cool.
Oh, that's so cool. It's like the way I said it in when I was doing the green one.
In the TV. Ooh, that's so cool. I love it. Thank you, Mommy, for buying this. I love you.
You too, Mommy. I love you too, babies.
Cool.
My thing is like, oh my god, I can't believe I put all of this pink. So cool.
Yours is almost turning to pink. I know. Oh, yours is super big. Oh, mine is almost getting people and is almost getting to slime. Slime, I think it's
First yours was like. Next up, we do the baking soda.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm going to use my spoon so it doesn't get messy. Or I'm just going to pour it in. You guys comment down below to see which one should I do. I'm going to just use my spoon. Oh, I was going to take all of that. Now we are going to whisk again.
Oops, my hands are people again. Look, guys.
Oh. Look at this. It's like with crunchies. I can't wait to put this in there. Oh my god, I can't wait. I just can't wait. Oh, it's getting like crunchy. Do you see those crunchies? Do you see them in my slime? Do you see them in my slime?
Yeah, I can see them in my slime too. So, mine is so crunchy because I can see them in my slime. It's so good.
Now there's the rest. Ooh, yeah, we got the rest of it.
It's like slime.
And we're already doing slime. Oh, do you see that bubble? I'm going to pop it. Pop it. Oh, that's cool.
That's cool. I love it. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, mine is like a big mountain. Emyllah,
Yes?
Mine is like a big mountain.
I know, mine is bigger. My slime is bigger than yours. Now we're adding the saline solution. Wow, that's a lot. Do you see those moons? They look like a moon. Now we gotta mix it. Now,
oh, look at mine. Mine is.
Wow, yours is getting like. Now we. Oh my God! Look at it. Starting to look like slime a little. And look at this.
Oh, mine is like sticky.
Whoa! It's acting up. Look at Mom's hand. It's very purple. Whoa! Look, it's getting like slime right away. Now we're adding the glitter. I think this is a lot. I think I want to add more so much. Okay, now guys, we're going to put the spoon down and mix it with our hands. Wow, it's like very sparkly.
Mine is like very.
Look at this. Wow, look at my hands.
Look at my hands. My hands are. Elena, look at my hand. My hands are.
Oh my God, oh my Lord. I'm going to try and make a bubble. Mine is like so cool.
It also tastes slime.
All the boys and girls that are in Georgia, we live in Georgia too. And look at our slime.
Look at mine. Ooh, mine is dripping down. That's so cool.
Mommy, Nicole is coming. Our grandma. That's our grandma.
And Grandma Nicole is gonna see our slime.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, mine break already.
Break. I can make mine break, but
Oh, look at mine.
But if yours break, that means it's not slime yet.
Mine always break. And
wait. I'm going to do like that.
Oh, mine is like.
Emma, try like squishing yours. Look. Grandma, come. Just so. Look at our slime.
I don't know why it's funny.
Oh my God. This is so cool. Oh, I got an idea.
Whoa, mine is like a big snake.
Come on, come down. Yay, come down.
Come down.
Come on, slime. Come on. Yeah, stop mixing them. This is a lot of slime. I can't believe I took all of the glue, all of the glue, and put it in my slime. That was a big slime. It's a big solution. Solution.
Oh, mine is a big solution.
It's a big deal.
It's a big.
Everyone is going to be like jealous. Oh my God.
And then
look at my big slime.
And when Grandma's come here and Daddy, she will take off our slime.
Oh my God, look at, do you see those glitters over there?
Do you see my,
Do you see those glitters? Those are the glitters. Those are not the chunks.
Emyllah, can you see a glitter?
See one?
Just
I already want to like make a bubble. Like bubble wet. I love this life.
I cannot even eat this, guys. It's already slime.
I want to do this all over again. Just
Ooh,
look at this.
Mama, look at my slime.
Don't you see my hands? Because of how slime. And because of like...
Don't you see my hands? They are so cool.
Oh, mine broke.
Mine broke too. Now I have a little bit of slime. Emyllah, look, look, guys, I have a little bit of slime, and this is so cool. Oops, sorry, guys. Guys, this is a dog slime fork. Mommy, I need a fork to make it.
This is like the oh my god, it's like that blue stuff. That like blue stuff, and then we can like.
Emyllah, do you want a fork? Mommy gave me a fork.
I know. Look at this.
Mommy,
so satisfying.
Mommy, can you give me my spoon to make it like food?
Emma, wait. Emma, wait. I got this. Look. Just spread up your slime, and then it will make a satisfying noise.
Ooh, so sad.
It's like the slime that you were like seeing in the like TV. The one was pink, one was purple. Oh my god! Oh my lord!
Emyllah, mine is actually flat now. Now I put the spoon in.
The car and you. Oh my god! It's going to make satisfying noises.
Ooh, that's so cool.
Ooh, that's a cool slime. Yeah, yours must be very cool.
Let me try yours.
Do not stick it. Oh, you forgot to put the shaving cream. Now I'm going to put a lot.
Emyllah, it's my turn to put it.
Shaving cream. That's like for boys like beard. You gotta press this button. You see this circle over here? You gotta press it. Okay. Oh, that's a lot.
Ooh, it went to my hands. Mommy, can you dry my hand, please?
Now let's like press it
Mommy,
down. Oh my.
Mommy, can you
Look at that heel. Whoa. All of this shape. I need short sleeve already. It's getting like a lighter color. Like a lighter. Not time for you to get out. That's for like beards. If I had a beard, I'll like do that. And this is like a slime solution. Slime.
Mine is getting back to normal.
Oh yeah, mine too.
Mine is getting back to people.
I need to wash my face. I'll just do
to
this one.
Yep.
That's slime. Come on, slime. You can take out all of that shaving cream. And I'm looking better already. I think I am. I take all of that sugar.
Emyllah, I love this slime. Do you love this
I like every of the parts. Like, I want to do it again. Take all that out of my hand. Take all. You know that slime is good. You know, like slime is good, like for cleaning, like food stuff.
Oh, and slime. When something's dirty, slime.
Yeah, I saw on La Life.
Wait. When there was mess in something, the slime, a red slime can, and a red slime when the mess is on the plate.
Oh my god! It's like. Emma, is your slime still dirty?
No.
Oh, I don't know why it was like that. But I was just still okay with it.
Oh, mine's still broke because the shaving. Mommy, mine's still broke.
The one that lives in Georgia.
Mommy,
Shout out to our.
mine's still broke. Yes.
I like.
Oh, can you
It's like that blue. It looks like slime. It looks like blue slime, but when you press it, when you put force on it, it doesn't like go. But when you like leave it like this, like I forgot what it's called. What is it called?
I'm gonna get my baby. I'm gonna go get my baby.
Yeah, get your baby.
Oh,
I'm strong, guys. I'm strong.
Guys, I got my doll, and I'm gonna put my. Wait,
I'm gonna go.
don't forget to get a naked doll.
No, I'm not going to get a naked doll. Okay, fine. I'm just going to take off her shoes.
Ooh, look at him. Oh, mine
Oh,
is
hi. We look at you. I'm so naked. I'm going to switch in my slime. Oh! Wait. I want mine to be extra. Look at this.
I hope it's enough. I need more.
Look at mine. So mine is like getting. Wait, this is like getting orange.
I need more gritty. This I got a flat in mine.
I want more. I love glitter. I love it. Sorry, guys. I love glitter. Show who's best with glitter. Show
Oh, Emyllah, I can feel the glitter. Oh, look at my hand.
Me too. I want more. Look at all of this glitter that's coming down. It's like a glitter rain time. Glitter time! Glitter! No, I want this. Just smash it on all of the glitter and then it will. Oh my god.
Oh, mine is getting. Oh, yours is getting cool like mine.
Wow, mine. I never want to leave this
Emyllah, mine is getting like Play-Doh.
I know, like.
Emyllah, mine getting like, you know, mine is getting like glittery glitters. Okay. Okay, I'm not.
I love this. Bye, people. I just love this slime. Look at it.
Look at mine. Don't forget to watch this video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe and comment
below.
down below.
If you like our video.